I'm here with Bill Hald from Rotarex. He's the head of technical sales. And I'd like to ask you some questions today, if that's okay.
Of course.
All right, so can you tell us about some of these products you have here and the applications of them?
For sure, Hannah. So first off, we have our C-stick liquid level gauge, which is using cryogenic dewars. It replaces a float gauge, gives you high accuracy readout, digital readout. These are some of our valves for the electronics industry, tie diaphragm. These are our standard industrial valves, residual pressure valves, integrated medical valve regulator, and then also our specialty gas valves, so diaphragm packless brass stainless valves, and valves for LPG applications like butane and propane.
Awesome, they look like some great products. Is there anything that we don't know about Rotarex that you think people should know?
You know, Hannah, I think one of the things that people don't realize about us is just really the breadth of offerings that we have as a company. Some people are familiar with our cylinder valves. Maybe they think we only do a diaphragm valve or so on. And whenever you look at it, we have valves that cover the entire breadth of offerings from medical, welding, specialty gas, electronic gases, and then beyond that even, we sell fittings, regulators, and really anything for gas handling from the cylinder on down.
And what is the biggest value that you bring to your customers aside from the high quality products?
You know, Hannah, we're really a true solution supplier. We have a lot of expertise, a lot of experience in the industry, and we pride ourselves in being able to work with our customers to provide a solution for whatever their system needs to be. So if they need to adapt certain things and bring that the experience we have in the industry with different gases and applications, bring that to bear to help them be more successful.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.